It's the next day. This place is kind of a pigsty right now, so I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I gotta go. Classic. Ah! Oh, reverse. Ah, sucky, sucky, blow, blow. There's that. So now that works. Not to knock on somebody else's work, but my God, I have to break shit to get shit out. Oh, my Geiger counter's going off. I ain't too happy. Quick side quest here. What do you want? This is a good stopping point for the boys. Clear slate, right, Zach? Yeah. Let's go put gas in this now. Right now? Yeah, why not? Alright, dude. Just fucking hope we don't get pulled over or stall out at the stop sign. How much gas is in it? Like a quarter? Which, god damn, dude. This thing drinks fucking gas.
Yeah, big guy. She's thirsty.
Don't kill it. Don't kill it. Alright, we good. We good. We coasting at a calm little 30 miles an hour. Huh. That's it?
Like you should just shut off in traffic. People behind us.
It's going, dude. It's trying its best.
Smoking out the whole goddamn valley.
See the smoke coming up from the Don't fuck me up.
Fucking give it some ass. Clear it out. It's definitely missing a hole.
Oh, that motherfucker's smoking, dude. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Hey, ready. Yeah, it's fucking smoking.
Oh my god. Is this a
see the black smoke?
Yes, is this a fucking diesel?
Okay, we're good. It's been a few days of cleanup since that last part of the video. I think I got a pretty good setup going on now. It's not the final setup, obviously, but it's something I'd be comfortable to live in for now. So let me walk you guys through of what I got so far. Well, I guess we can start on the outside for now. Obviously, the biggest thing would be power. Right now, I'm kind of bumming it off of where I work, which they're fine with. Gives me an excuse to be here on time. Another thing is probably gonna be Wi-Fi, but I got that figured out. So I've had a Starlink subscription for a while now, even when I used to live in an apartment, and this is the regular old Starlink, pretty heavy, but I figured something out for the mounting solution. This is just 4 big magnets attached to a custom bracket that I made to keep the angle just right. All it needs to be is just pointing north anyway. Moving on to the interior. Obviously the camera doesn't do this lighting any justice, but it's just a regular desk lamp and it has like one of those warmer tone bulbs in it. So it's a pretty cozy vibe in here, but I'll be using this to show off the spot. I do have kind of a mess with the wiring and all that, but that's all again temporary. But the Starlink is routed up there, goes through the window. This is the other pretty important part of the setup that I wanted to put in here as soon as possible, is just a place where I can connect my computer and have somewhere to edit videos or play games or just pretty much do anything that I would do in a regular house. Yes, this is a camping chair that I got from the place that I work. It's more comfortable than you'd think. So if I sit up straight on the chair, there's just enough room between my head and the roof that I could wear a set of headphones and not have a problem with hitting my head on anything, which is pretty nice. The old topper that I used to live in, I used to hit my head on that all the time. So I'd say this is an upgrade. Moving on to the sleeping area slash personal storage. This is a bed frame that I had built for that topper. And I built it specifically to fit one of these RV mattresses. They're not the thickest, but if I use like a foam pad or something underneath it, it's fine. I haven't been uncomfortable on it yet, but at the same time, I haven't slept in this van for more than like a day or two. I designed the other side of this bed specifically to fit over wheel wells, and I'd say it's working out pretty good because the bed right now, it's all the way up against the wall, and it leaves me about, I'd say like 2.5 feet of space right here to walk between. Over here, obviously this is still a work in progress, but this is where I store a lot of things. Like there's some toiletries over here, some clothing items, just the basics pretty much. I still have somewhere else where I store all of my other stuff, but very, very temporary. But I will build shelves in here or like a little table or something. Some of you may be wondering, well, what about privacy? I do have a big ass window right here and two in the rear that anybody could just peep in. And it's pretty visible to the inside. The solution for this was a lot easier than I would have expected it to be. I was thinking about putting up like a curtain rail system or something like that, which I might still do in the future. But for now, I'm pretty happy with the solution just because it's simple. Curtain and a magnet. Again, not the fanciest thing, but it works and it works really well. Just because this is bare metal over here. So with a strong enough magnet, I can pretty much mount up here anything I want. And the front already has a cover on it, so I'm not concerned about that. That window I like to leave uncovered just because I like some of that natural light to just be able to come in the morning. It's the same thing for the rear. Just straight up one magnet, two magnet, and a curtain, and that's it. So that's it. It's not much, but it's comfortable, it's convenient, and I'm happy with it for now. Obviously, again, this isn't permanent. I'm gonna be adding a lot more things to this van, which I'll get into in later videos or something. But there is one more thing. Somebody has been a good boy and put in some extra hours at work. EFI. Way sooner than I expect to have EFI, to be honest. The van still runs like shit. It runs really rich, and I honestly haven't messed with it because I hate working on carburetors. I'll do an unboxing on this next video when I actually install it, but I'm pretty excited about it. There's some other maintenance things that I also want to do while I'm doing this, like a thermostat and the intake manifold gasket. I know on these engines they're pretty prone to leaking, so I just want to get that out of the way and get a new gasket for it. But yeah, that's it. Van's coming out pretty well. I'll keep coming out with more updates as I work more on the van, whether that's like little YouTube shorts or something like that, just quick updates. But I definitely want to stay consistent with this project. I have other projects too that I can be working on if I'm not working on this. But it's just more content that I can edit and upload. So cool.